Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. I hope you all are doing absolutely well. So guys, in today's video we have two off-campus drives which are going to be very helpful for all of you who are looking forward to get job in Wipro. So there are two profiles which are currently the hiring is open from Wipro. That is the eligible batches are 2023, 2024 and 2025. If you have done B.Tech, B.Sc or BCA, if you have done graduation in any of the similar profiles, you are eligible for it. So let's now start with today's topic, which is first hiring, which is from Wipro's WILP program. Okay, so if you are not aware or if you are listening it for the first time, WILP stands for Work Integrated Learning Platform 2024. So before we look into detail of this job, make sure if you are new to my channel, please make sure to subscribe to the channel in case you haven't done yet, because I regularly post these kinds of helpful off-campus drives and placement preparation related videos for all of you. So make sure to subscribe to the channel. Let's now look at our job. So first of all, the application deadline is 31st January 2025. So if you are watching this video before that, please make sure to apply for the job as soon as possible before the deadline passes. Now let's see how can you apply for it. So you just have to click on register now and fill your details. Before that, let's understand the different details for this job. So the CTC is going to be 15,488 per month you are going to get, and the salary breakup is this. So just in case if you want to understand what is the exact salary breakup, so in the first year you will get this much with 15,000 plus 488. In the second year you will get 17,000 plus 553, and in the third year you will get 19,000 plus 618, and in fourth year your salary will going to be 23,000. An additional bonus, joining bonus, you are going to get 75,000, which is also very good. So if you are looking forward to get the job or if you are interested in this job, please make sure to apply. Now just in case if you are not aware what is WILP actually. So WILP is nothing but Wipro's Work Integrated Learning Program. In this, what happens is it is a unique learning integrated program that offers BCA and B.Sc graduates a chance to build remarkable career at Wipro while pursuing their higher education in M.Tech from a premium educational institute in India sponsored by Wipro. So like it is giving you chance to do your higher education along with the job. So the eligibility criteria for this is 10th standard you have to be passed, and 12th standard should be passed. Graduation should be 60% or 6 CGPA and above as applicable by the university guidelines. And if you are a pass out of 2023 or 2024, you can apply for this drive. Qualifications is you should have if you have done BCA, you can apply for it. If you have done B.Sc, then also you can apply for it. And in B.Sc, the different eligible streams are computer science, information technology, mathematics, statistics, electronics and physics. And there are some other criteria also. Make sure that you read it. So for some of the criteria, I'll read it for you. So open school or distance education is allowed for 10th and 12th. One backlog is allowed at the time of online assessment, but later on during selection, make sure that you clear it. Candidates are expected to clear backlogs along with 6 semester. Mandatory to have core mathematics as a subject during graduation. Maximum 3 years of gap is allowed. Candidates will be invited for the test process. We have who have completed 3 months cool off period. Candidates should be 18 years of above age during the time of registration. Now talking about like how the rounds are going to be. The first round is going to be online assessment, where you will get different sections: verbal, analytical, quantitative and written communication. Second round is going to be business discussion. Third round is going to be HR discussion. And once all of that is done, there are a few details like service agreement. So 60 months of service agreement is there, and there are few terms and contract related details. So make sure if you are interested, please make sure to click on apply now and apply for this job as soon as possible. And if you are also looking forward from where to prepare, let me know in the comment section. I can bring you helpful videos from which you can prepare. So we can solve last year or previous year questions of Wipro WILP, so that which will help you to prepare for this job. Okay, let's now move on to the next job, which is from Wipro only, which is for Elite 2025. So in this now going forward, we are going to see the complete details about this job, which is Wipro Elite 2025. And for the things that we are going to cover in this video is educational qualifications, eligibility to in order to apply for this job, number of rounds that happens in this job, and the complete process. So let's start. First of all, like the position overview for 2025 is the title that this job gives you is project engineer. It is a full-time job and it is located in Pan India, and the compensation that it gives is 3.5 plus extra bonuses. So application deadline is 12th of January. Make sure to apply as soon as possible. So let's see the job description. Elite hiring program presents varied opportunities to graduates in telecom, automotive, embedded systems, and CPE technologies. Below are the roles and responsibilities for each area. So you can see if you are from automotive software development, so you like these will be the kind of work that you will do. Then for embedded system software, if you come from this background, so they are seeking this kind of info from you. And cyber security and Java full stack development. So but basically don't worry, if you are like applying for this job, you will be properly trained on what you need to work, so you don't have to worry about anything. Let's now check the eligibility criteria for this job. So to qualify for the Elite hiring program, applicants must fulfill the following requirements. So educational qualifications required is 10% standard, you need to have minimum 60%. 12th standard, you need to have minimum 60%. In graduation, you need to have minimum 60% or CGPA equivalent to 6.0 according to your university guidelines. And graduation streams, so ineligible branches mentioned are mechanical, instrumentation, automotive, computer science, which is CSC, electronics and communication, ECE, IT or information technology, or cyber security. And passing year eligible are 2023 and 2024. So make sure to apply for this. Now let's see the eligibility criteria. So one backlog is permitted during the online assessment provided it is cleared by 8th semester. A maximum education gap of 3 years is allowed between 10th grade and start of graduation. Graduation must be completed within 4 years. Only full-time degree courses recognized by the central or state government of India are eligible. Candidates must be Indian citizen or hold PIO or OCI cards. Bhutan and Nepal nations must present citizenship certificate. Minimum age 18 years at the time of registration, so make sure that you have 18 years of age while you are registering for it. So the selection process, the hiring process includes multiple elimination rounds aimed at assessing technical expertise, problem solving ability, and interpersonal skills. Let's see the online assessment round. The first round is online assessment, which is going to be 128 minutes. Aptitude test is going to be there, which is going to cover logical ability, quantitative ability, and verbal English, and duration is going to be 48 minutes. Written communication test is going to be there, which is like going to cover essay writing to evaluate written proficiency, and duration is going to be 20 minutes. And the third round is and in the third section in the online assessment is going to have 2 coding problems, either in Java, C++ or Python you can solve, and you will get 60 minutes of time. Round 2 is going to be business discussion. Candidates who are shortlisted from the online assessment will advance to the business discussion round, which addresses problem solving approaches, team collaboration, understanding technical concepts. And third round is going to be your HR discussion round, in which the HR, you will have the connect with the HR team, where they will discuss role expectation, career goals, and cultural fit within Wipro with you. So the compensation and perks of this job is the base salary is going to be 3.5 LPA, and the flat bonus that you are going to get is 25,000 after 6 months of joinings, to be merged after 12 months. Okay, so this is the joining bonus you are going to get after few months of your joining. Annual increments and milestone, because bonuses at the 18, 24 and 36 months. Opportunity to engage with cutting edge technologies in a global work environment. So this is a very good opportunity, I would say, for everyone who is seeking a role in Wipro. Make sure to apply for it. And duration is 12 months post joining. Penalty 75,000 on a pro rata basis for any breach of agreement. So basically this is like the service agreement. So I hope you have got the clarification of these jobs. I will post the links of the jobs in the description box if you haven't checked yet. And if you have any doubts, please let me know in the comment section. Please share your interview experience and make sure to subscribe to the channel if you haven't done yet. You can ask your queries on Telegram and Instagram DM also. And also, just in case if you want preparation material or previous year question solution videos, let me know in the comment section and I will bring you in the next video. That's all for today's video. Thanks for watching the video.